So now we're going to start looking at some speed time graphs. So we're no longer looking at distance time graphs. Distance, which was on the y-axis, is now speed on the y-axis. Now let's just have a look at these graphs and let's understand what's happening in each of them. So this one, you can see that as time is increasing, the speed is exactly the same. So this one here is actually a constant speed. We're constantly going at 40 miles per hour for 6 hours. Now if we look at part B, this one, the speed is increasing and it's constantly increasing as the time goes on. So another word for increasing speed is acceleration. Then if we have a look at this one in part C, you can see that the speed is constantly decreasing. So this is deceleration. Now if I was looking at it in terms of acceleration, it would be a negative acceleration, but I'm going to put deceleration here. So the speed is getting slower and slower. Okay, so let's have a look at D. So we've got the first part. It's accelerating for 10 minutes until it reaches a constant speed of 12. So it goes constantly at 12 meters per second. E, it's constant deceleration again. F, there's a constant speed of 10 meters per second. Then we're slowing down until we reach 5 meters per second, and then we're going constantly at 5 meters per second for the last 4 seconds. So hopefully we understand speed time graphs a bit better. You will notice that I've put velocity. Now, velocity, a posh word for speed, it actually means speed in a particular direction. So if you see the word velocity, we're actually talking about speed.